So this is an example of work that I've created for my students. I'm trying to make it as similar to what we would do in class as possible. So really, what I'm doing is just adapting homework and problems I would have had for them already, and then at the top, I'm posting in the videos that I made earlier on. It's not possible to directly embed a video in here, so all I put in was the actual video itself, and then it's a link, or excuse me, I put in a picture of the video and then included a link to the video. So I say here, click on the image to get to the video. So I'm trying to keep everything in one spot because I don't want there to be like 5 different Google Docs or 5 different Google Classroom assignments for each day. Because I feel like students are just going to get overwhelmed, especially grade 9 students. So I'm trying to keep it as much as I can. I'm trying to keep it in one place as possible. I have slides that will go with this, so that's really two documents: the slides and then these notes. The slides, they can look at the slides and then watch these videos to kind of see how they go together. And then down here, there's going to be problems for them to solve. I don't really like grading homework, but I've tried to include instructions for like basically assessing them, at least in the beginning, like a 1 point assessment for each homework. And I've tried to just assess it based on, they attempted, given a reasonable attempt, showing clear work, so I know, again, it's kind of like their work. Maybe they copied from somebody else, but they still have to copy all of the work, so they're practically doing it, even if they do copy. One thing I wanted to include was that if you find an impossible problem impossible for you to solve, explain what you tried and what you didn't understand, so that you can get feedback. Because I don't want students to say, "Oh, I just can't do this problem. I'm not going to do it." Like, I want to hear that you have at least tried and uh, made an attempt. And if you don't know what's the wrong, then you should be able to write something down. I can give you direct feedback on that. So I'm trying to do as much as I can to make sure that the students are doing the work themselves, as much as I can possibly, you know, as much as possible. And I didn't do it on like grading them on right or wrong because I think that just encourages them to copy. I graded them on like they're making an attempt in their effort. So that's my plan for getting this done. Keeping it all in a couple in as few documents as possible, and then hopefully laying out a way for students to be responsible.